Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ram 3500 transmission fluid. First, gather all necessary tools and supplies, including a new filter, gasket, and the correct type of transmission fluid. Safely lift your truck and ensure it is level for proper draining. Locate the transmission pan, drain plug, and the fill tube or dipstick for later use. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient fluid replacement process. With your drain pan positioned, carefully remove the transmission drain plug. Allow the old fluid to completely empty into the pan. This might take several minutes, so be patient. While it drains, observe the fluid's condition. Look for any unusual color, burnt smell, or metal particles, which could indicate internal transmission issues. Once drained, replace the drain plug securely. After draining, remove the transmission pan and old filter. Clean the pan thoroughly, especially any magnets, then install a new filter and a fresh pan gasket. Reattach the pan, ensuring all bolts are tightened to specification. Now, carefully refill the transmission with the manufacturer-recommended fluid type and quantity through the fill tube, checking the level frequently with the dipstick. Once refilled, start your Ram 3500 and cycle through all gears to circulate the new fluid. Drive for a few miles to bring the transmission up to operating temperature. Then, with the engine running and the vehicle level, recheck the fluid level using the dipstick and top off if necessary. Always consult your owner's manual for specific fluid capacities and types. Remember to check the description for links to other helpful resources and great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.